Welcome to another episode of Living in Tahoe. I'm your host, Tahoe Tony, and I've got a great house to show you today on that 190 Meadow Lane in Stateline on the Nevada side of Lake Tahoe. This is a great little neighborhood. It's not high up elevation. The lake's right there. It's awesome. And this is a fun house. It was built in 1961, but they've refurbished it and you're gonna love it. And I've got a great surprise for you. The variant's gonna blow your mind, so check it out. So the first thing you notice as you come in this house, it's been updated because this house was originally built in 1961, but as you can tell, they've updated. They've got beautiful cabinets, beautiful countertops in the kitchen. This was probably like two little rooms at one point, but they opened all up, so it's got this beautiful open feeling to it. I love the blue cabinets. If you've seen blue cabinets at home before, this is awesome. I love it. So the countertops, the white color is a good contrast with the blue. They've got Frigidaire stainless steel appliances. So a nice open kitchen. This is great. If you've got kids, you can serve them right here on the countertop or just guests. They've got this little dining table over here, which is cute. And then a beautiful picture of Emerald Bay. So accenting the blue cabinets. This is awesome. I love what they did here. So this house is 1,430 square feet, but it feels so much bigger because they opened all this up. So they've got this big, expansive living room here with this giant, massive screen TV. And then they've got the little fireplace in there. It's neat. This is actually pumping out heat right here. It feels great. So you got a big living room area right off the kitchen. Everything you need if you're hosting your family or your friends, you're gonna be really comfortable here. So as we leave the great room, we're gonna go down the hall. We've got the master bedroom on one side, and then the other side we have two bedrooms and a full bath. But before we do that, let me introduce myself. I'm Tahoe Tony Tuoto. I'm the managing broker for eXp Luxury Real Estate on the Nevada side of Lake Tahoe, where we don't pay state income tax. So this is the master bedroom. It's a good sized master bedroom. You got plenty of room for a king size bed. They've got a ceiling fan to move the air around a little bit. In the summertime, it's a little bit warmer. They've got a reach-in closet over there and this beautiful updated bathroom. They did such a great job in the shower with the blue tile and the shelf. It's really awesome. And also the windows here are up a little bit higher. I like that. So when you don't have a massive bedroom, like this is a good sized bedroom, but it's not massive, you've got plenty of room to put dressers under here and not be blocking the window. I think that's a really good design plan for a comfortable bedroom like this. So this is bedroom number 2. Again, we have a ceiling fan here. It's a really good sized bedroom. So if you had children, they could have a desk over there for doing their homework, or if you had guests, plenty of room for their open. There's a suitcases, or even if they had a dog bed or something. This is a good sized room. Again, they've got the windows up higher. So if you want to put your bed against this wall or this wall, you've got choices and plenty of extra room. So we have conveniently located a full bath right here, which the 2 bedrooms will be using, but it also acts as a half bath for everybody in your entertaining area. We also have a coat closet right here. And bedroom number 3. So this is a cute little 3-bedroom house, all on one level. So I like that. So another good sized bedroom. As you can see, they've got a desk and a end table over there, and there's still plenty of room for, this looks like a double bed here. I think that's really smartly designed. Another great benefit with this house is they've got this mudroom / laundry room. It's right off the garage. So if you're coming from your garage, you come right into this mudroom / laundry room. So if you got wet clothes or whatever, or snowy boots, you can leave it all right here. The kitchen is right there. So you've got groceries and everything super close. Another great design benefit I really like about this house. Another awesome benefit of this house is this giant backyard. They've got a huge deck here. This is great. You could have a big table out here with plenty of room for extra chairs. They've got a barbecue, smoker, griddle, all kinds of great stuff to have a lot of fun out here. And all pavers back here, so it's protected. And like I said, it's all fenced in. They do have a dog here. He loves running around here. And a beautiful hot tub right around the corner. Wind chimes, playing beautiful music of Lake Tahoe. And the best thing yet, let me go show you this little fun house. So come check out this awesome bar. This is so fun to have in your backyard. This is a beautiful bar. It's all set up for fun, right? We've got pinball, we've got an array of video games here, and this nice, really good sized room. They're using it as a bar right now, which I love. Just imagine bringing my friends in here. We'd have so much fun, and it's separate from the house. So You're not disturbing anybody. If somebody has little kids in the house, you can come out here and hang out. Or if you're not in having fun all the time, this would be a great external office. If you're somebody who works from home, you could have this as your external office and not be bothered by dogs or everybody in the house. You can come here, you can do Zoom meetings, do whatever you need to do without being disturbed. Or you leave it like it is, just use it as a bar, because this is awesome. This yard is fantastic. Let me show you. Everything out here is paved. Like I talked about, we've got the grill, we've got the barbecue, we've got an awesome hot tub. In the summertime, this must be amazing. I mean, it's wintertime now, spring's coming in a couple days, and it still feels great out here. I love it. So I love this house. I love all the fun with the cabinets, the updated cabinets, the flooring, the countertops, the bathrooms are beautiful. It's a good size. It's 1,400 square feet. One of the things I love about it too, the tax is only $3,000 a year for the property tax, which is awesome. And we're in Nevada, so that's not gonna change necessarily from the purchase price. So great house, an awesome location, Stateline, Nevada, with all the big casinos right there and all the entertainment, the Tahoe Blue Event Center, the beaches are right over there. It's a great location, great little neighborhood. You're close to everything, and you've got a really fun party house here. I love it. So if you're thinking about making the move to Lake Tahoe and you want to live in a house like this, reach out to me. I am the managing broker for eXp Luxury Real Estate, and I love helping people move to Tahoe. I mean, it's great. We don't have state income tax. I called my dad yesterday and he was so grumpy. I'm like, Dad, what's going on? And he's like, oh, I'm doing my taxes. I'm like, oh, sorry, I'll call back later. And the funny thing is he's got to do taxes twice because he's got to do California state income tax as well. So if you want to live in Nevada, not have to pay state income tax, think about how much money you're spending on your state income tax. It's ridiculous. Move to Nevada. And the best place to be in Nevada is Lake Tahoe. It is gorgeous here. There's so much fun, so much great recreation. And you can have a house like this for only $1,425,000, I believe. Hopefully I got that right. Whatever this number is up here.